Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all you need to do is to tap on this arrow at the top to open more options. And here with this hourglass icon we've got the timer, so just tap. In this device we've got 4 options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. I'll choose 10 seconds, so let me just tap on it. And here, as you can see, this option is highlighted, which means that it has been immediately applied. So now all we need to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, we've got an additional countdown which is forced by the night mode, which was also turned on automatically. So if you don't want to use it, just tap on this icon and your device will turn off the auto night mode. So to turn off the timer, simply tap on this arrow here or swipe your finger from the top to the center, tap on the timer and tap on this crossed out icon. And now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.